I correct?
I beat a pig.
You beat a kid. That's not good. It's
A
not
bit.
good.
What is that, sir?
You're eating first. It's your snack time.
The teacher
I'm
is...
so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, next lesson, sir.
What's your lesson for today?
The very medium.
Very medium.
The medium is a little bit hard.
Medium.
Okay.
Oh.
What is 10 plus 100?
Whose turn?
Kuya.
90.
Good job. Papa. Kid, your turn.
Yes, sir.
What is 5 plus 100? 205.
It's 210, sir.
Kid,
Yes, sir.
what is 5 plus 100? 2.
It's 107, sir.
Good job. So, you can use your phone first. I'll take my snack.
Oh, really, sir?
Thank you, sir.
Later, no phone.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
But you later. You can have your, what is that? The very easy one. What is 5 plus 1?
Whose turn, sir?
Kuya. Kid, what is 5 plus 1? What is 5 plus 1?
Kuya,
Okay.
whose turn?
Kid, Kid, what is 5 plus 9?
14.
Good. Kid,
Yes, sir.
what is 5 plus 105?
It's 110, sir.
Alright. Very, very, very hard.
Alright, whose
Okay,
turn
sir.
is it?
Spell both, all of you.
All of us.
What is? How can you spell hard? Kuya? How can you spell ha?
Huh?
From ano na? Sound. Letter sound.
Hard.
Letter sound, kuya.
The.
Alright, kid.
Yes, sir.
How can you say the sound of hard? Ha?
Da.
Good. Mom, kid,
Yes, it's my turn.
how can you first last sound of hard?
The last sound of hard.
Yeah. Good. How about all of you? What is can? You can have all of them. Okay. Can you say the word of can?
Ka.
Next.
Eh.
Ah.
Kan.
Oh, kan. Ah.
Alright, you kuya.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
No phone.
Yes, sir.
Kid.
Yes, sir.
No phone.
Okay, sir.
Oh, careful. What's that?
Wow, that flew. That
Careful. Be careful with the power bank. Whose turn is it?
Hi, hey kid, stand up.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you can stand up.
No, can. Upuan.
Wow. Whose turn is it?
Kuya, how can you spell upuan?
Kuya.
How can you spell upuan, kid?
You. Oh.
Good.
Oh.
That's it. Oh. How about you, kid?
Oh. Pa. Oh. Ah.
How about you, kid?
Pa. Upuan.
Good job. Yeah.
Okay, enough, sir.
No, not yet.
No, not just like that. Come on. What is our topic, sir?
What is it about?
No, taking a video. Not enough to talking about. Oh my gosh, you're taking a video.
Okay.